In this video, you will learn how to remove picture background and change background color in Microsoft Word. Currently, you can see here I have this picture and I have removed the background of this picture. You can see the result here. Later on, I have changed the background of this picture and I have changed the background to blue and red in this picture. So let's learn how to remove the background and change the background color in Microsoft Word. If this video is helpful for you, please like it and subscribe to the channel for more informative videos. Currently, this is the picture. I will remove the background of this picture. I will close this one. Open Google. Type remove.bg. Press enter. I will also provide the site link in description for your convenience. When you open this website, here is the option of upload image. Select your image. This is our image. I will select this one. After that, click on open. Now you can observe that it is removing the background of our picture. After that, here you will find the option of download. Click here and from here I will select first one, which is the free option. Now you can see here the picture is downloaded. I will open this folder and if I double click on it, you can see here that the background of this picture is removed. Now you will learn how to change the background of this image. I will copy this one and paste it in Microsoft Word file. Click here, right click and paste it here. Now click on this picture and place your cursor on this black square, and by dragging option you can resize your image. Now click on this picture, go to picture format option and here is the option of wrap text. Select this one. From here I will choose in front of text. Select this one. Now select this crop option and crop this image. After that, click on anywhere on this page and I have successfully cropped this image. Again select this one and here is the option of size. You can resize your picture according to your requirement. For example, I will select 2 by 2 inches. Now you can see here I am not able to select this one. If you are experiencing similar problem, go to this option, which is the down arrow sign. From here I will deselect these two options, log aspect ratio as well as relative to original picture size. After that, simply click on OK. Now again select this option and I will use 2 by 2. Now you can see here we have successfully resized this image. Now our last task is to change the background color of this image. Before that, I will copy and paste it here for your convenience. Now select this image. After selecting the image, right click. Here is the option of format auto shape. Select this one. You will find different options. From here I will choose color and lines. Here is the option of color. Click here. You will find different options. You can select any color according to your choice. For example, in this case I will choose blue color. Select this one. After selecting this color, Click on OK. Now you can see here we have successfully changed the background color of this image. So by using this option, you can easily remove the background and change the background color in Microsoft Word. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching this video. Goodbye.